In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopee to leave a review for any product you've purchased. Leaving reviews is a great way to support sellers and help other potential buyers make informed decisions. Plus, it can sometimes earn you credits or rewards depending on the platform and current promotions. So let's dive in. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and go to the Shopee website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, simply navigate to the login section, which is usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials, your email or username, and your password, and hit the login button. And if you've activated additional security steps, make sure you complete those. Once you're logged in, the next thing you want to do is go straight to your profile. This usually appears as an icon or your profile picture, often in the same top right area of the page. Now click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled My Purchases. Go ahead and click on My Purchases, which will take you to a new page that lists all the products you've recently ordered. Now that you're in your purchases list, find the specific item you want to review. Take your time to scroll through, especially if you have a long order history. Once you've located it, you'll see a button that says Rate or something similar next to the product details. Click on this button to start leaving your review. It's your chance to provide valuable feedback based on your experiences with the product. Think about the quality, delivery, the accuracy of the product description, and your overall satisfaction. While writing your review, be honest but fair. Aim to be constructive with any criticism you have, as this helps sellers improve their service and products and informs other buyers. Don't forget to give a star rating reflecting your level of satisfaction. Most platforms, including Shopee, use a 5-star rating system where 5 stars mean you're fully satisfied. If your purchase experience was great, consider adding what you liked most about the product or the efficiency of the shipping. On the other hand, if it didn't meet your expectations, specify why. Clearly stating the reasons for your rating not only benefits the seller, but also enhances the shopping experience for other users by setting the right expectations. After you've completed your review, simply hit the Submit button. And just like that, you're done. Your feedback will be on its way to the seller and available for other customers to see. Remember that taking a few moments to review products can make a big difference in the e-commerce community, fostering a more trustworthy and informative shopping environment for everyone involved.